Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Rocio Knitted World. I already showed you how to make a full Among Us character, and now I'm going to show you how to make the little ghost. The materials to make this Among Us ghost: white yarn, gray and black, the color for your character, stuffing, scissors, needle, and hook. We'll start making the ghost from the head. On the other character, we start with the legs, but for this one, we will start from the head. You can use any yarn or any wool, any size. The thing is that you're gonna get a different size result. If you use a thicker yarn, your character will be bigger. If you use a thinner yarn, your character will be smaller. I recommend you to use a hook a little smaller than the recommended one from the yarn. This way your plush will be tight. Let's start round 1. Make a magic ring and make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the round with slip stitch. Every round we make that starts with magic ring, we're gonna close it with slip stitch. For round 2, make 6 increases. We will have 12 stitches. An increase is when you make 2 single crochet in one. At the end of round 2, we have 12 stitches. For round 3, the pattern is 1 increase and then 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, and so on until finish the round. We'll have 18 stitches. At the end, make 1 slip stitch. For round 4, make 1 increase and 2 single crochet 6 times. At the end of the round, we'll have 24 stitches. For round 5, make 1 increase and 3 single crochet. We'll have 30 stitches at the end. For round 6, 1 increase and 4 single crochet 6 times to have at the end 36 stitches. The pattern for round 7 1 increase, and 5 single crochet. Remember, all the patterns we have to make them 6 times in every round. At the end of round 7, we have 42 stitches. From round 8 to round 28, we'll make 42 single crochet on each round. We'll start from here and finish here. I finished round 28, and this is how it must look. Now we'll make increases and decreases to make this look like a sheet. Round 29, start with an increase. Make 20 single crochet, 19 and 20. Make 1 decrease. It means from 2 stitches from the previous round, make 1. Now 18 single crochet, on last stitch make 1 increase. I'm finishing round 29 with 43 stitches. For round 30, make 1 increase, 21 single crochet, 1 decrease, 18 single crochet, and 1 increase on last stitch. At the end of the round, we'll have 44 stitches. Round 31, make 1 increase, 22 single crochet, 1 decrease, 18 single crochet, and 1 increase. We'll have 45 stitches at the end. For round 32, make 1 increase, 23 single crochet, 1 decrease, 18 single crochet, and 1 increase to have 46 stitches. Close the round with slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now let's make the bottom. The pattern to make it's the same. Repeat the rounds from 1 to round 7. At the end we'll have 42 stitches. Start with a magic ring of 6 single crochet. On round 2 make 6 increases, and so repeat the same pattern that we made for the head. Cut the yarn And let's make this shape. From the slip stitch we made, count 3, insert your hook and make 1 single crochet, and 5 more. We'll have 6 stitches. Turn, make 1 chain, and then 1 decrease. Make 2 more decreases to have 3 stitches. Turn again and make 1 decrease from the previous 3 stitches. Stuff your ghost and put the bottom this way. Insert your needle this way to hide the knot. Now start sewing, putting the 2 pieces together. This is the result. I cut the yarn and I hide it. To know how to make the little bag, please go to the video that I'm leaving in the description box and go to minute 13 and 46 seconds to see the instructions. If you finished your bag, now sew it on the back of the ghost. Insert your needle on the back. Place it this way. Start sewing it, leaving about ½ inch from the edge. Make a safety knot and hide the yarn. To make this part, go to the same video to the minute 18 and 7 seconds. Place it like this, take your needle and start sewing. Before finish sewing, stuff a little. Your Among Us ghost is done. Please like the video, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe.